In this video, you'll learn how to find tokens on the Phantom Wallet app. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly locate specific tokens within your wallet. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Ensure that you are on the home screen where various options and tabs are visible. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to the Tokens tab. This tab is typically located at the bottom of the screen and will display all the tokens currently in your wallet. After you tap on the Tokens tab, a list of your stored tokens will appear. At the top of this list, you will see a search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass. Next, tap the search icon to open the search functionality. This action will prompt a search bar to appear at the top of the screen, allowing you to enter your query. Type the name or symbol of the token you are looking for into the search bar. As you type, the results will dynamically update to show matching tokens based on your input. Once you see the desired token in the search results, tap on it to select. This action will take you to the tokens detail page where you can view more information about it. If you are searching for a token that is not currently in your wallet, consider checking the connectivity of your internet. A slow connection may delay the search results. In addition, be mindful of the amount of storage available on your device. If your device is low on storage, it may affect the performance of the app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.